Hello children, today we are going to study mathematics page number 18. Now see, here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. There are sports. In sports we have high jump men, long jump men, high jump women, long jump women. Now here are the world records. In high jump man is Xavier. His world record is of 2 meter 45 centimeter. Mike, long jump man is Mike. His world record is 8 meter 95 centimeter. In high jump women, the world record is in the name of Stefka, that is of 2 meter and 9 centimeter. And the world record of long jump women is in the name of Galina, whose long jump is of 9 meter and 52 centimeter. Now here are some records made by Indians. Their name is, for high jump men, Chandrapal is there for 2 meter 17 centimeter. Amrit Pal, long jump record is in the name of Amrit Pal, 8 meter 8 centimeter. Indian record for Bobby in the sports high jump woman is of 1 meter 91 centimeter. And Indian record of Anju for long jump women is of 6 meter and 83 centimeter. Now this was the table that I read. Now you have to find out from the table how many centimeter more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump. Okay children? Now see children. For the first question, how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? Now this high jump column I am going to see. Here Chandrapal's record is of 2 meter and 17 centimeter. And how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record? Now men's world record is of whom? That is of 2 meter and 45 centimeter. So how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump? That means minus 2 meter and 17. This is Chandrapal's record. This is world record. So you have to minus to see how many centimeters more. If you minus, this will become 3, this will become 15. 15 minus 7 will give you 8 and 3 minus 1 will give you 2 and this will be 0. So, how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump is 28 centimeter. This is your answer. Okay children. Now, how many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? Now in the second question they are asking Bobby A to reach till 2 meters. So in meters column I will write 2 and in centimeter column I will put 0, 0. Now let me see Bobby. Bobby's jump is 1 meter and 91 centimeter and she has to reach 2 meter. How many centimeter higher should she jump? Minus from 2. So this become 1. This will become then 10. Again I will cut this and make it 9 and this will become 10 now. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So Bobby A should jump 9 centimeter higher to reach 2 meters. 2 meters. Okay children, this is the answer. Now see children, what they are telling you? They are asking, telling you, in 1 meter we know there are 100 centimeter. So in half meter means how many centimeter children? So half of this 100 will be 50 centimeter. Half of 100 will be 50 centimeter. So in half meter, how many centimeters we have? 50 centimeters. Now children, in third question, they are asking you, Galina's long jump is nearly. Where is Galina? Here is Galina. And her jump is 7 meter and 52 centimeter. And we know that this 52 is near to half meter. Now is it 7 meters? No. Is it 7.5 meter? Yes, it is a 7 and nearly to 7.5 meter. It is not 8 meter. Okay children, understood this question? Now let's see question number 4. Now question number 4 is, look at the women's world record. What is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? Now see, if you look at the women's world record, you see there is one long jump and one high jump. So I am and you have to find the difference. Difference means what children? We have to do the subtraction. Now here the long jump is long jump world record 7 meter 52 centimeter, and high jump record is 2 meter and 59 2 meter and 9 centimeter. Now see children, where I am putting this 9, it is not 90, it is 9. So I am going to put 0 and then 9. Now they are telling to find the difference. I will subtract. It is not possible for me to subtract 9 from 2. So I will go to the neighbor, borrow 1, that will become 12. Now see children, 12 minus 9 will give me 3, 4 minus 0 will give me 4, and this 7 minus 2 will give me 5. So the difference between the longest and the highest jump will be 5 meter and 43 centimeter. Okay children, now let's see 5th number question. Now children, they are asking you, if Mike P could jump dash centimeter longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. Now if you look in this table, you will see that Mike P jump is of 8 meter and 95 centimeter. Now they are asking you how much higher should he have jumped so that he would have completed full 9 meters. So we are going to subtract this 8 meter and 95 centimeter from 9 meter. Now see, 9 meter means how many centimeter? 0, 0. Meter column 9 and centimeter column 0, 0. Minus 8 and 95. Because this is the jump of Mike. Now this is not possible, so again I will borrow from here 1, then this will become 10, then I will have it 1, 9, and then this will become 10. Now see children, 10 minus 5 will give 5, 9 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 0. So the jump 9 centimeter, he could, if he could jump 9, say 5 centimeter more, 5 centimeter, here I am going to write 5 centimeter longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. Now children, they are asking whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter means how many children? 2 meter and 50 centimeter. Now Stefka, if I look, it is 2 meter and 9 centimeter. Chandrapal 2 meter and 17 centimeter. Xavier S is 2 meter and 45 centimeter, and Bobby A is 1 meter and 91 centimeter. Now if I look, this I can't have 2 meter 9 centimeter, 2 meter 17 centimeter, 2 meter and 45 centimeter. Very close to this is this Xavier jump. Okay children, now let's start page number 19. Now running exercise. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. He took one round of his field. How far did he run? Now children, he took one round of this field. How far did he run? Now this one round, in one round how many, 500 meter for one side. So this figure has 4 sides. So it will become 500 multiplied by 4, 0, 0, 20. 2000 meter. Now children, we know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 2000 meter will become how many kilometers? 2 kilometer. So how far did he run? He ran 2 kilometer. Okay children? Now instead the field was very far from his home. So he chose a park nearby. The boundary of the park was about 400 meters long. Now, how many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers? Now children, they are asking you how many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers. Now in one round of this park he completes 400 meter. So to complete 2000 meter, this 2 kilometer I am writing in meter form, that is 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meter. So how many rounds will he complete? Now children, we have to divide here 2000 divided by 400. That will give you 2000. If you divide this 2000 children, 2000 divided by 400, you will have 400 5s are 2000. See, 400 ones are 400, 2s are 800, 3s are 1200, 4s are 1600 and 5s are 2000. Okay, so how many rounds he has to take of that park? 5 rounds. Answer is 5 rounds children. Now what happened? See, here you are going to write 5 rounds. Now see children, one day the weather was very good and a cool breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired after 8 rounds. That day he ran dash kilometer and dash meters. Now children, in one round he completes 400 meter. So in 8 round he will complete 400 into 8, that is 8 4s are 32. So 3200 meter. So this will become how many kilometers children? This 1000, 3 kilometers and 200 meter. So that day he ran 3 kilometer and 200 meters. Now children, this how many rooms high? This is an assumption because about how many meters high is your classroom. This you have to do it on your own. With this we stop here children. From page number 20 we will continue in the next video.